It is rainy and gloomy today, as you can see. It would be a good day to stay indoors, but we have a few like, I guess, plans today or appointments. We're going to first go to the temple, visit the temple and the monk. And then afterwards, we're going to the dentist to get our teeth checked. And last but not least, I guess we're just going to visit the egg farm. And I think that's all I know for today. This rain and this view is quite peaceful, to be honest. And I can smell the fresh rain over here. Already ready. Yeah, that looks good. We have arrived at the temple. This temple is an hour away from Surasit's home. Wow. This is the kitchen, right?
Yeah, kitchen.
Yeah, a kitchen to cook for the monk.
I think it's a temple
Yeah, it's a temple.
and the monk that we like
Usually visit.
visit and worship. Yeah, he got stationed here to be the head monk here.
So he's a head monk.
So before it was not like this at all. It was really bad.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's really old.
How long was he here?
Probably maybe 7, 8 years.
Oh, 7, 8 years.
7, 8 years.
Wow, a lot have changed
So
then.
he renovated that. This building never been here. So we got donation to build that.
Wow.
Like the newer one and this one too.
We are at the countryside to pick up some eggs at the egg farm.
So today we're picking up like 30 carton of eggs.
30 carton. That's a lot of eggs. This is where people buy their eggs in bulks. We are at the egg farm, but it's actually different from what I imagined. Basically, we're just here to pick up like a bulk of eggs and just buy them, and then put it in the car and then just go. Yeah, I imagined that an egg farm is basically a bunch of different chickens around, and we could just walk around and just, I don't know, grab some eggs or something. Yeah, it's different.
It has different size. It's all the same, but it depends on how red the egg is, how big the red egg
This is the pricing.
Yeah, so 0 to really big.
We are back home coming from the dentist's office, and it is time to finally eat. We got some fun dessert. Apparently this place is really good for this type of dessert. Today is a chill day and productive day. What time do you have to pick up your glasses, by the way?
24.
24?
Yeah.
Stretch. This sweet. Crunchy too. And saucy. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Ain't that one? Dessert time.
มันเยอะ
มันเยอะไงบอกไง
That's a lot.
เนี่ยถ้าอยู่ออกมาจากถ้วยนี่มันเยอะมาก
taro balls with
Taro
coconut milk
balls. Mm.
with coconut milk
Oh, so it's like a dessert soup.
เนี่ยกินกี่คนเนี่ย
นั่นน่ะสิ
Wow.
เห็นไหม
เห็นดิเห็นเราจะเอาถ้วยหนึ่งถ้วยเล็กนะ
เห็นไหมเนี่ย
แล้วก็เลยมา
โอ้โหจะกินกี่คน
ให้มันว่าตักได้ดิเล็กแจกคนละถ้วย
ไม่เอาไข่ไปเยอะๆนะเอามาเฉย
ไก่ให้จูรี่ไง
ๆเอาไม่เอาอ่ะครึ่งหนึ่งอ่ะไม่เอาไปครึ่งหนึ่งดิเกินไปเขาก็อิ่มแล้วน่ะ
Has coconut meat in it.
ไม่เอาเอาไข่ไปครึ่งหนึง
นั่นแหละ
It's so pretty.
เนี่ย
Wow.
เราไม่ต้องทำเองลูกทำเองยุ่งยากรู้เอาไข่มา
ทำไมนี่ไงแม่แบกเดี๋ยวไป
mango
Ah.
can change to the another version of the mango
Oh yeah, there's a small one, right?
small
Like,
one or the big one or the yellow one or
oh
something,
yeah, there's that.
many
It's true.
kind of the mango so
Do you like
can
this
choose.
kind of mango?
I like this kind because the other one is too sweet for me
Oh, too sweet?
Yeah.
Oh, Americans like the really sweet one. We don't have this.
yeah
Not in Chicago at least.
right
ไอ้แม็กมาเอาไปนะโอ้โห
นั่นแหละ
ไปแจกบ้านที่ทำงานไปแจกไอ้มดพี่สาวเขา
เข้าใจไม่เป็นไรไม่เป็นไร
It's okay.
you have to practice
Yeah.
มันเยอะๆมันเยอะมาก แจกใครก็ได้ยายใช้ได้เนี่ยเห็นไหมก่อนต้องมีมาบ้านเขาอ่ะปีนี้เพิ่งจะออกมันมีอยู่ขายกันประมาณ3
Try to find the biggest one, Julie. Yeah. Don't be in the middle. How you gonna see? Be a bit up. Yeah. Well, it's a little bit harder to get the big one because most of it got picked already.
Yeah, I noticed that. Wow, first time experiencing
หมู
this.
ได้กินไข่รถไปได้หลายโลเนี่ยกินวันละ5
Ah,
เย็น
it's so hard. This one? Oh no, it's this one.
Yeah. Pull it.
Oh,
Yay. Well, yeah.
วางสิวางที่พื้นเลยเดี๋ยวค่อยเก็บ
Wow, this one big one.
wow.
Yeah. Smell good too. You want one more? I get one more.
It's not fun.
Yeah.
Be a gut one.
The one on your left of that. What you think? That one?
This one?
Yeah. Oh, is it small? Oh, you're right. It's kind of small.
You see it?
Yeah, it's small.
It's small. You can kind of measure it.
Yeah, kind of hard to tell a little bit.
There.
Cool.
Cool.
Oh, no, no.
Might have to grab two.
Yeah, grab two is fine.
One.
Oh,
there you
perfect. Cool.
go. Is this a big one?
Let's see. It's okay.
Really no more mango.
No more mango. Yeah.
Only hanging down. Okay.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Done? Yeah.
Look at this cute little sleepy head. Aww. It is nighttime right now. Shiraz is already sleeping over there. and I am going to get ready for bed so that I can wake up early in the morning to get ready and head out with Sarasit to go to our next plan, which is most likely Chak Tu Chak, because Chak Tu Chak market only opens on the weekends, and today is Friday, so tomorrow's Saturday. Preferably, it's more ideal for us to go on a Saturday than a Sunday, just because we may have other plans, and it's best to get some of the shopping out of the way while you're on the trip. I also want to add in that we had a really chill and relaxed day. We actually quite enjoy our time at home as well, because ever since we came to Thailand, I feel like we have been always going out like the whole day, and I feel like there was like barely any breaks. But now, like, just being able to settle down and chill and relax is just one of those things that we need once in a while traveling. I'm going to have a good night sleeping, and I'll see you guys next time.